We know you're busy. Life comes at you pretty quickly.
So wouldn't it be great if there was a way to simplify your business planning and maximize the time you do have?
Enter Vena. Vena makes running your business make sense. Automate manual tasks, connect source systems, and create interactive data visualizations that connect your teams in ways you've never imagined. Vena takes Excel, the world's leading spreadsheet grid, and combines it with the Vena Growth Engine, the technology and methodology that powers your plan to grow. Vena brings people, departments, processes, and systems into a secure, complete planning platform. With visual workflow tools, audit trails, unlimited modeling and analysis capabilities, and pre-configured solutions, Vena amplifies the grid you know so you can grow anywhere together. Automate your manual tasks with Vena's finance-led planning, so you can focus on analyzing what drives your business, from budgeting and forecasting to management reporting. You can double your outputs without doubling your efforts. And with features like built-in what-if scenario analysis, you can test out your assumptions in minutes. Vena's extended planning lets you dive deep into your data, so you can plan with intention across your business. Whether it's workforce planning, operations planning, or detailed revenue planning, you can communicate your numbers in a language your teams will understand, drive adoption, and grow your business from anywhere. And with Vena's Beyond Planning, you can unify complex business processes to amplify your business performance, from financial close management to incentive compensation management and more. Anything you can imagine in Excel, you can do in Vena. Vena makes running your business easy. It's complete planning with simplicity, so you have time for everything else.